Okay, let's take a look at one-click auto. Now, where will you find that? Under parsing routines, you're going to find that individually you would be able to parse, the regular season, team standings, spread scores, and so on. Remember, we had to parse the roster, update injuries, but a feature I added is called one-click auto update. And essentially, what that means is instead of having to perform all of those parsing steps individually, which is really updating the roster, updating the injuries, and then parsing the regular season team standings. This one-click auto, you hit that and it'll go out and perform all of those functions. So that's really it. It just streamlines the effort. Personally, I don't really use it because I go through the deliberate steps so that it's a little more confidence that I know the database is fully updated and ready to make the very best predictions that I can. But this feature does exist. One click, and it'll go off and run the parsing routines, and then ultimately give you a report. Okay.